Hey YouTube, welcome back guys. So today I'm gonna unbox these are some of the pieces that we picked up from Cal State University of Long Beach. So they have another store by the 2nd Street, and I was looking one of the piece for my wife, and they didn't have a size at their university bookstore. So the lady I asked, and she gave me she gave me like 2 of the coupon that has 20% off for their sister company or sister store at the 2nd Street by Long Beach. So let's go ahead and get this unboxed. Let me show you guys the first 2 that was from the 2nd Street. So these are the 2 of the pieces that we got from their 2nd Street store. This is by Next Level brand. This one is pretty soft, and then extra large. They only have small, and then medium, and then large at their university store at Cal State Long Beach. So I asked them one of the lady that works there, see if they have size extra large. So she checked on the computer and saying that they have at their 2nd Street store. So I'm glad I asked her, and then we got the 20% off of this. So it's about $2 off, and then plus tax. So it says Long Beach Mom's Date, and on the back is plain. And then this one is pretty good. It's size large, Champion. It's for same price, and then take additional 20% off. At first we try to use 20% off for the both items. They say, oh, you gotta purchase separately, because I guess you could only use it with the different purchase. So we make a separate transaction. So this one said Cal State Long Beach Mom. Oh my god, what is that? Something got spilled on here. Anyway, we gotta wash it, and then should be okay. So I can't believe this Champion with the same price as this cheaper brand. If you purchase this collaborate with the Supreme or other company, it's gonna cost you more than this. So let's go ahead and then take out all the stuff that we got. And then this is one of the tank top from Cal State University Long Beach, established 1949. And this one is $22.95 size large. There's nothing on the back. So moving on to the next item. This one is the $16.95. They don't have on sale if you buy this at their university bookstore. Ooh, Gildan Ultra Cotton. So this is for me, Long Beach Dad, Long Beach State Dad. So this is another Gildan for $16.95, ultra cotton again. %100% cotton. What? For my wife again? How many does she need? So this is another Gildan. Heavy cotton. Oh, it's only $9.99. Gildan should be only $9.99. And then this is Long Beach Stay Again. So it is plain on the back. And then the final piece. This is for my son. Cal Stay CSULB. Made in Mexico. 50% cotton, 50% polyester. Licensed product. This one is $36.95. Size medium. Wow, it looks pretty big compared to Supreme. It feels like a large. So yeah, some of the manufacturer they have a different size chart, so you just need to be careful when you shop around with a different brand. You had to try them on at their fitting store, fitting room, and then to see how it fit. Alright, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up and then like the video. Please be sure to hit that subscribe button and then turn on the bell for notification, or drop in a comment on below. Anyway, thank you for watching. I'll see you guys on the next video. Like always, peace out.